If you have connection issues on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, if you cannot properly connect your smartwatch with your smartphone, let me show you what you can do to try to solve this issue. So the first thing that you can do is on your watch, you can make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. Most of the time, you need to use at least one of them. So if you go to connections, you can make sure that, for example, Bluetooth is enabled. But ideally, you probably want to use both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And there is also the airplane mode, so of course you want to make sure that it is disabled to make sure that you can actually use the Wi-Fi, for example. But like I said, if you cannot really use Wi-Fi at a given moment, you can try to stick with Bluetooth, and it should work with just Bluetooth as well. Besides that, you can do the same thing on your smartphone. You want to make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on your smartphone, just to make sure that both devices can, of course, connect together. Now, if you have been connected before, if these devices have been paired together in the past, then you can also just go to settings on your smartphone, choose connections and go to Bluetooth. And then over here, you might be able to find your smartwatch in here in paired devices. Or in case no device is paired with your Galaxy Watch 9, then you can try to find it here in available devices. So of course, also remember to scan the list of available devices again once it is available here at the top, at least in the case of Samsung. So in my case, I'm just going to tap on the watch, and technically I should be able to pair again. Now, in addition to that, if connecting via Bluetooth doesn't really work, then you might also need to get the Galaxy Wearable app. So if you don't have the Galaxy Wearable app just yet, for some reason you still don't have it, then you can go to the Play Store and you can download it for free. So you just simply search for Wearable or Galaxy Wearable. It is, of course, a Samsung app, so that shouldn't be a problem to find it. And then in here, you will begin the pairing. So usually, if you open it for the first time, you begin the pairing mode or the setup of the smartwatch, and this is when you connect your phone with your Galaxy Watch 9. But if you have been connected, or if these devices have been paired before, then most likely you can find your watch in here in the app, just like I can see mine right now. And what you can also do is you can use a connect button. So if the watch is not connected with your smartphone at a given moment, but it has been in the past, then you will find a connect button probably here at the top. So you can tap on it to try to connect devices together. You can also tap on these three dots that we have in the upper right corner, and you can go to all devices. And then in here, you will find your watch as well. So let me just quickly disconnect the watch. There we go. And then you should be able to tap on it. And here we go. Here we have the connect button that I mentioned before. So you can try to do that. Also, here in the list of all devices, you can use this plus button to scan for your Galaxy Watch 9. So in case you need to if you try to pair it again, then you can try to do that from here instead of going to Bluetooth settings. This is definitely here. You actually have a higher chance, I believe, to actually successfully pair Galaxy Watch 9 with your smartphone. So be sure to check that out. In my case, I have it here in the list of paired devices, so I can, of course, just tap on it. But in your case, you will probably find it in available devices or something similar. Now, in addition to that, if still you cannot connect your watch with your smartphone, what you can also do is you can reboot your smartwatch. So you can, for example, press and hold both buttons over here to open the power menu. And then you can tap on this power button here at the top to turn off your watch. And afterwards, you will have to press and hold the home button to turn it back on. And then you can try to, of course, connect your smartwatch one more time. And if you still cannot connect the smartwatch, then pretty much the last thing that you can do is you can factory reset your watch. So if you go to settings on your watch, then you should be able to scroll down here, go to general, and then here we can find the reset option. Of course, you will erase everything that you have on your watch as a result, but then you should be able to begin the initial configuration again, which allows you to properly set up your watch with your smartphone. And if you decide to factory reset your watch and you have been connected to your smartphone before, you might need to also remove the watch from the wearable app. So we can go to all devices again, but this time you want to tap on this trash icon, you want to select your Galaxy Watch 9, and then you want to remove it. You want to make sure that there is no prior connection on the smartphone, it is not saved on the smartphone, so that both devices can try to pair from the beginning, from the scratch. And also you might want to go to Bluetooth settings again and, of course, unpair the watch by using Bluetooth as well, although most of the time if you remove it by using the Galaxy Wearable app, it is going to remove in Bluetooth as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.